Hi, so you want to learn how to make these amazing transitions inside of the edit page using masks? If that's the case, you are in the right place because today I'm going to teach you that. So let's jump in the computer and see how you can do it. So here we are inside of Davinci Resolve in the edit page, and I already have these transitions made for you. As you can see, it's an amazing transition and very, very easy to do. So let me show you how you can do this because it's very easy. As you can see, it's only clips over clips, nothing else. And this can be done in the free version. You don't have to have the paid version of Davinci Resolve. So let me delete all of this and start from the beginning. First thing, let's add our first clip. So here is the clip. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna resize it because it's too big. So it's only this. As you can see, the clip is smaller than the entire screen. So let's select this and resize it a little bit. So now let's add, on top of this, we're gonna add the mask that's gonna affect both clips. So let's choose this mask over here. I'm gonna put it over here. I don't know if you notice here on the corner, if I move it, you notice that it's starting to paint in this frame. So one frame, and I'm gonna trim this. So I'm gonna resize this video because it's too big and I want a shorter transition. So let me here click, right mouse and retime controls, or press Control R and change the speed to 200. Change speed 200, and now it's smaller, so I can put it over here. So now let's select the clip, and as you can see, it's also smaller than the entire screen. So let's increase it a little bit also. Now with the clip selected, we come here to the Open Effects and look for 3D gear. And let's drag and drop it over. And now let's come here, and you have to select Open FX Overlay, and if it's in video, you come here to the FX and select this tool here, and let's make a line over here, and immediately you saw that the black disappear and appear the background image. So now let's select the clip again, and let's go to the video and come here to the composite mode and change it to alpha. Now let's select the second clip, put it over, select it, and we have to resize it too because it's also smaller than the screen. And now it's very easy. You come here to the composite mode and change it to foreground, and it's done. So if I play it, and the transition is done. So it's very easy and very simple. And of course, imagine that you want to add another one like this one. So let's change another transition like this one. So it's smaller. We resize it also. Let's do it here over. Let's go back to this one. And change the and go here, change this 200, and let me put this here like that. I need that one. I'm going to over. This one over. This is small. Now, and change this one to foreground. This one to alpha, and then you can just do this. Now, if you want to add multiple transitions like this, you notice that you have to put it one on top of the other, and probably it will be rising like stairs. You don't have to do that. It's very easy. You just come here to the end of this transition. For example, if this will be longer, and let's move this over here. So you come here to the end of this transition, you select the clip and you cut it, and then you can put it down again, and now you have the transitions made. One, now the second one, and as you can see, it's very easy, very simple, and I think in my opinion it gives a beautiful result. So as you could see, it's very easy, and I think it gives an amazing result. So I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you learned something today. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot the channel to grow. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I will launch a video. Until then, bye!